Yeah, look, there's another one here that's kind of cool. Look at this big one. Hi there, it's Trish from Trish Kitty Studio, and I'm outside. I'm outside on my patio today. I thought I would paint these really cute little, they're just Crayola Suncatcher kits. I have this really cool peacock, and I have this beautiful cupcake. So I thought I did bring some other brushes because this brush looks like it's pretty lame. I brought a few different brushes, and let's get started. I think, let's do the peacock first. Hey everyone, I got this set of, these are the Arteza Watercolor tubes. This is the 24 set. I got these actually, here's the box. This was actually my friend Sherry's set. I was over at her place looking around, poking around in her art studio, and she had these laying around. They were unopened, and I was like, oh, have you tried these? I didn't realize they were unopened. I was like, have you tried these? I'm so curious about them. And she said, no, I've had them for months and I haven't even opened them yet. And she was like, if you want to try them, take them and try them out and see what you think. So I thought, since it's such a nice day, I would sit out here on the patio and swatch these out and see how they work. So I've just got all the colors. I squeezed a little bit out onto a paper plate, and I am going to have a blast swatching these out. So I thought you might enjoy seeing how they turn out. Alright, I went ahead and labeled all of them. I let them dry for the most part. I did not swatch out the white just because I thought it's white. I wanted to get an idea of what the colors were like. I must say, I am super impressed. They are extremely vibrant. Really nice range of colors. When they're dry, they feel very nice, not chalky at all like some of the other sets that I've used. I think these are really, really, really nice, to be honest. For me personally, I have heard that this tube set from Arteza is not meant to be kind of like dried in a palette and then reused. Like, you want to just use it straight from the tube and that's it. So this would not be a set for me. I wouldn't personally purchase this. I would buy the pan set. I know they do have a pan set of watercolors, and that would be more my style. I'm just more of a palette user. I use watercolor paints wherever I'm at, and I like to have a palette that's ready to go that I can take with me and use with a water brush and that kind of thing. So I am, just based on this, I am super impressed with the vibrancy, the color, the coverage is very nice. I really like these. I'm super impressed. I would definitely buy the pan set for myself down the road. I really don't need any more watercolors at the moment. But this, I think the next time I decide to buy watercolors, this will be the set I buy. So just wanted to give you that quick update. Thanks so much for watching. Please like this video if you want to see more, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks so much. Have a great week.